In this video, we'll be looking into 2026 JAMB and admission procedure. This is the part B video or the second video. So I've done the part A video, which was before UTME 2026 exam. So this particular video is after UTME 2026 exam. So if you want the first video, which comprises of what you need to do, the procedure you need to do in this 2026 admission journey before you write the exam, what are the things you need to do? If you want the video, quickly go to the comment section and comment that you want the video for the part A. Now, back to this video. After UTME 2026 exam, what are the things you need to do? The first thing that is you have to check your UTME 2026 results using SMS. For you to do that, or the procedure you're going to take in doing that, I'll make a video of it, then post the video on my page. So if you need it, you can actually check my page so that you're going to see it there. Then after that, you're also going to print your original JAMB results. So print your original JAMB results. I'll also make the video for you on how you can do that. So it's an easy thing for you to do. Maybe you can do it yourself. And after that, the next thing, which is the third one, is to upload your O-level results. When I'm talking about O-level, I'm referring to your WAEC, your NECO, your NAPTEP, and even your A-level self for those who are direct entry aspirants. So your A-level such as in DE, A-level like JUPEB, IGMB, Cambridge, your ND, HND, and then your BSc results to your JAMB portal. This number 3 is a very important step that you must take notes. If you didn't do it, then forget about admission for the 2026 section. Forget about admission. So it's very important for you to do that. And during registration, some people might also do the same thing during registration by uploading O-level result. For those who are not going to use awaiting result during registration. So you can upload your O-level result, WAEC and NECO, while registering for the exam. But for those who are using awaiting results, so the third step is for you to upload your O-level results to your JAMB portal. And then the fourth thing to do is to obtain your school post UTME or screening form. If you didn't do this number 4, even if you have 400 over 400 in your JAMB result, still, just accept it in mind that there won't be admission for you, especially if you did not do this number 4. Number 4 is very important, and number 3 too is very, very important for you to do. Take notes. So after you have obtained your school post UTME or screening form, for schools, especially most of those federal schools, they usually write post UTME exam. So you'll be notified on the school portal when to write the post UTME exam. So, but for those doing screening, you're just going to register, obtain the form, then you're going to fill up some details, pay for the screening fee, then you're going to upload some documents, some details on the portal. Then the school is going to grade you, grade you based on your JAMB score and your O-level together. Then they will use that to offer you admission. Then the next thing for you is to accept admission if you are being offered admission. To accept admission, the procedure for 2025 has changed. So the procedure for 2025 will still be the same thing they will use in 2026. So I will make a video of how you can accept admission, the new method you can use to accept admission using your SIM card. Using SMS method. So after you have accepted admission, then the next thing is to print your JAMB admission letter. The JAMB admission letter is what you can do yourself, whereby I'll make a video for you of how you can print your JAMB admission letter. So in a nutshell, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of videos to make for you that will be very important for you. And before I proceed, for those of you that want to write JAMB 2026, don't hesitate to come to our WhatsApp platform to join our tutorial group. We do tutorial for both art students, commercial and sciences. So we use WhatsApp platform, and then we also use Zoom classroom. So we teach you, and our teaching is very effective and is very intensive. We follow the JAMB curriculum, JAMB syllabus rather. Then we teach you what you need, what is going to help you to obtain a very high score in your JAMB, not only for JAMB student and also for WAEC student as well, and those preparing for NECO. I'm very sure that you won't regret it. So the price is 8,000 naira per month, and for this month of November is just 4,000 naira because November is almost half. November is coming to an end, so that one is 4,000 naira. But for subsequent months is 8,000 naira, and the tutorial is going to end by April because JAMB exam will start April. and whereby JAMB registration will start January 26, either 26 or 25. So after that, after you have printed the admission letter, the next thing to do is to pay your acceptance fee. So in that acceptance fee, some schools don't pay acceptance fee. That's why I take I said except Obafemi Awolowo University Ile-Ife aspirants. So you are not going to pay acceptance fee. So a lot of schools in Nigeria pay acceptance fee, maybe something around 50,000 naira. Some pay 30,000 naira. Some pay 40,000 naira. But OEU, Obafemi Awolowo University aspirant, they don't pay acceptance fee. And after you have paid acceptance fee, then the next thing is for you to start your journey as an 100-level student. Don't hesitate to share this video to any aspirants you know out there. Come to our WhatsApp platform to join our group. Check the description section below to join our aspirants group. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Bye.